Today, I'm going to teach you how to test your pool water for the chlorine level and the pH balance. This is a 3-way test kit. You can buy this at Walmart for $5. Open it, get the small container. Now, you fill it with water, but you want to reach as far as you can to the bottom of the pool. Since we want to get it to these lines, you have to poke your finger in it. Like that. Now, you want to add 5 drops of this, which is for the chlorine level. 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you put in 5 drops of this, which is for the pH level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close it up. Now, take your black cap, put it on, and you shake. Now, the ideal is from 1 to 4 for the chlorine, and for the pH level is 7.2 to 7.6, which is in between 7.8 and 7.5. Let's look at it to the light, and looks like we're in between for the chlorine 1 to 4. And for pH, we're about a little bit above 7.2, which is perfect. Now, when you're done, take off your cap, pour it out, and clean it in the water. Now you want to put it back in your test kit. And you're done. That is how you test your pool water.